Because I have to put my glasses down there like that to watch the telly when I'm reclined.
I have to put mine on my head when I'm looking at the screen, don't I?
Right, it's Robbie here, and welcome to another unboxing. Woohoo! Without further ado, sorry mate, I nearly forgot you there. I've got Mark on the camera.
I think you've lost the plot, dude.
Well, it is my birthday.
What the hell are you doing? You're doing all loads of stuff on your birthday. You've got Tamiya. What are you going to do with it?
Oh, chuck it in the bin, I think.
Oh.
We're going to unbox it, mate.
Ah, right. I wonder what we were doing. Cool. Unbox it then, dude.
Yes.
If you can't read, it's a mad bull, guys. He's out. It is. Hey, it's a nicely packed, isn't it?
It is. Considering it is an entry-level thing, isn't it?
It is, mate. It is.
So, yeah.
Won't break the bank. It's a good starting
Wow.
RC if you want an RC to start off with.
Hard body.
Hard body. Gonna have to spray that, ain't you, mate? Well, I suppose you could leave it white.
You
but
could
the
leave it white, yeah.
box
I
art is
suppose,
black, isn't
yeah.
it?
But yeah, I think we'll spray it. We've got a chassis.
Oh, I forgot to say, what chassis is it, Rob?
DTO1.
It's a DTO1. You're right, yeah.
I've nearly forgotten them. Lots of
I tell you what, mate. He's shocked. Here you go. Here's his face.
wheels.
Wheels and
Already
tyres.
Tyres. Still going to have to have a sniff.
You're
though.
gonna rob it to the law.
Oh yeah.
Is it all right?
They are.
Oh, not bad. Let's have a go. Sharing the same drugs. Ooh, very nice.
Well,
What's that?
that is
I can't
the
see nothing.
rear axle.
Oh yeah,
Ready
two
for
axle
the
halves.
gearbox.
Yep.
And then, basically, we come into these boxes.
There's nothing else.
No.
Wow.
I mean, obviously 3 more wheels and tyres and stuff, but no. So, considering it's an entry level, we've got these 2 boxes.
You have.
So, without further ado,
Always dumped it.
there you go, there's box 1. Only joking. Pre-built up friction shocks.
I've never seen that before, Rob.
Proper
Pre-built.
proper friction even, shocks.
Not fiction.
No, not fiction.
Friction. You get fiction shocks on the
Yes.
TTO2. Well, so those actually have got some damping, haven't they?
They have a bit, yeah.
Little bit.
And we could possibly stick some AW grease in.
Yep, might be worth a go.
Bag A. Wow.
Screws.
Oh no.
What?
That's going to take hours and hours to video that bag. I'm rummaging. Oh, bit bigger. Parts bag B.
We can see some big axles there.
Oh yes. Some nice
Geary
metally bits.
But you don't get bearings there, Rob. It's bushes, aren't they?
It is, yes. Somewhere. Oh, and on cue. Bag C. Bushes.
Bushes. Boo. But you've got a bearing set, haven't you?
I have,
From
yes.
Peter Smith.
Oh. Now that's another surprise, dude.
What's that?
Metal.
Oh.
Oh, of course, yes, because it's a spline, not
Yeah, alloy hexes.
Yeah,
Yeah, for your wheels, aren't they? For
Yeah.
the driving wheels. Because it's rear wheel drive, guys.
it is. And stock silver can,
Yep, 27 turn.
which will be fine to begin with.
Yep.
And steering stuff already made up.
Oh, can you hold it up, mate? Can't see.
Oh, yeah,
Oh, yeah, they're all connected with the
Yeah.
ball ends on and everything.
that's it.
Wow. They've done quite a bit for you, haven't they?
They have, yeah. And then the obligatory tool.
Spanner and grease.
Yeah, and grease and double-sided tape
And R clips.
and R-clips. But then,
What's in this box then? I don't know.
no, nor me. Oh, and we haven't opened it.
Cut this one.
Cut this bit. So, in this box, we have stuff. Whoops.
Oh, there's a fair amount of stuff in there, isn't there?
There is.
Let's just have a better
Woohoo.
look.
Another driver.
Oh yeah, someone's paint.
And are they?
Oh, is that a
They're
bumper?
grey, aren't they?
It's a grey bumper, isn't it?
Bumpers and wishbones.
Yep. Front wishbones, obviously, because the rear one is a
Oh yes.
fixed unit, isn't it?
And other stuff. Body mount there and
Yeah, I think they are body and
maybe
battery clip. Thing.
yeah, something to do with that. And then some black stuff, which we'll find out when we start building it. And ooh, more black stuff.
Are they gears?
No, there's
Oh, sorry.
plates,
Okay.
mounting plates, and that's your pinion gear cover.
Yep.
So there's another Perspex one I'm going to make.
Right.
Okay. Now I've not seen that before either, mate.
What's that?
That's the servo saver already cut out,
Oh yeah.
ready.
They've done loads of bits for us, haven't
Yeah.
they? You'll have this done in about an hour, I reckon, Rob.
Probably, yeah. And that's the
Diff gears
diff and gears and stuff.
spur.
And this is more stuff, more plastic stuff. I think it's grey as well. And then we've got the obligatory manual that I'm not going to go through. You've seen these all before,
Yep.
and they're quite detailed and most excellent, dude.
Most excellent, dude. Yeah.
Yeah. And then, oh, Pete.
Oh, you gotta
Wibbly
give the
wobbly.
wibbly wobbly.
And last but not least, he says,
Ooh, nice bright.
the decals.
Oh, I call them stickers.
I know.
Sticker sheet. Nice and bright, isn't it?
It is.
Not pre-cut though, dude.
No, but that's okay.
That's funny, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. Who knows?
They
with Tamiya.
sometimes do, they sometimes don't.
Yeah.
But
I
yeah.
mean that. What was it? Was it the Subaru Impreza?
The what last one you've done?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pre-cut. I've just checked it.
Some of them are, some of them aren't.
Oh right. Goodness me. Tamiya, I don't know.
No,
But anyway, so there's your lot. It's not actually that much, and some of it's all put together, isn't it, Rob?
it is, yeah. I'm quite amazed. So, excellent beginner kit, I would say.
I reckon
Yourself.
you're right, yeah. Reckon you're right, even though you're not a beginner, but I'm sure
Yeah.
you can adapt it and hop it up and
I
have
certainly
fun with
will.
it along the days.
And the good thing is, like I say, if you are a beginner, you've got these made, but because you've got them made, you can take them apart and see how they go together
Yeah, you can.
if you wanted
If
to.
you wanted to. Put some grease in,
for
like I
next
said.
time for a more advanced kit. So there we go, folks. Once again, thank you very much, Mark, for this wonderful present,
You're welcome.
and hopefully you can join us on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.
See ya. Gotta be done.